A few expensive transactions have been made with a card. When asked, the man says, "I haven't used my card anywhere and it's still in my wallet." Then Amanda says she needs to check some details and asks, "Can you confirm your card number for us?" The man tells her his card number, and Amanda also manages to get the 3-digit CVV from the back of his card. In reality, Amanda was a scammer who did these small thefts. She would use other people's credit cards to order items online and then sell them on other websites. This is how she made money. Amanda had big dreams that couldn't be achieved through these small jobs. She wanted to earn a lot of money in life. One day, while Amanda was looking at a bank website, she received a message saying, "Open a trading account for financial freedom." Amanda didn't know much about trading and investing, so she thought she should first learn the basics about trading. She ordered a book about trading. The book explained that the stock market is basically a fight between bulls and bears. In stock market language, those who buy stocks are called bulls, buyers, and those who sell are called bears, sellers. From the book, Amanda also learned when to go long, buy, and when to short, sell. If you think a stock's price will rise, you buy the stock, go long, and follow the bull rally. If you think it will fall, you short it, which is called a bear position. Charts, specifically candlestick charts, are used to see if the market is going up or down. Simply put, a buy means a green candle and a sell means a red candle. In the market, you always have to manage your risk if you want to stay in the market for a long time. After learning all this, Amanda calls the book's author, Emily Ross, and asks why she focused more on long-term investment than short-term. Emily says, "Are you talking about day trading? Day trading is like a get-rich-quick scheme, essentially gambling." Amanda says, "But I've seen people online who are successful with day trading." Emily replies, "There's more lying on the internet than ever before in human history. The truth about trading is like this: if 1 million people buy lottery tickets and all think they'll win, who gets rich? The lottery seller. In trading too, those who run the market make the money. A day trader's life is like being in jail. You can't eat or sleep peacefully, you always have to make decisions and take actions yourself. This cycle never ends, there's always anxiety. Do you want such a life for yourself?" After hearing all this, Amanda puts the last page of the book on her wall, which said, "You can't beat luck." Despite knowing all this, Amanda decides to start day trading because she wanted to get rich quickly. She logs into a trading app on her laptop and joins a social media network called Market Mouth, where people discuss the market. There, Amanda follows an account called Bobby Broker who had tutorials on candlesticks and patterns. Amanda watches his video tutorials and memorizes the patterns and rules. Now Amanda was fully prepared and makes her first trade. But on the first day itself, Amanda suffers a loss of $2,700 and gets angry with herself, writing her first day's result on a large paper. Amanda was losing every day and writing, "loser," for herself on paper each day. Next, we see Amanda's 18th day of day trading, when Amanda makes a profit for the first time. She happily writes, "winner," for herself on paper. After that, she makes profits on several days and declares herself a winner each time by writing it on paper. Now Amanda had gained confidence in herself, so she writes, "real day," on a paper, meaning Amanda was going to make a big trade. She decides to short a pharma company's stock because she thought the company's share would fall. Delta Pax Pharmaceuticals had conducted a clinical trial for their medicine, and the result was due today. Amanda thinks the trial will fail and the company's stock will fall, so she puts everything on this stock. Amanda also shares her analysis on Market Mouth. As soon as the market opens, Delta Pax's share starts making green candles, and Amanda's losses start increasing. Even by lunchtime, the stock hadn't fallen, and people were making fun of her. Suddenly, the stock makes a big red candle, news comes that the trial failed, the stock starts falling, and Amanda moves into profit. At market close, Amanda books a profit of $4,960. At night, Amanda receives a message from Bobby Broker, who asks how she predicted the stock would fall. Amanda says, "Pharma companies' stocks go up during trials, and if the result is bad, they fall." Bob says, "The market works only on greed. fear, and hype. Never buy at a stock's high, create hype, and when everyone buys, sell at the top. Amanda now makes a list of pharma companies whose trials are upcoming, collects information from the dark web, creates dummy accounts on MarketMouth to create hype so people buy and she can sell at higher prices. This way Amanda makes profits. Amanda stays in contact with Bob, sharing analyses. One day, Amanda notices a company called Clean Therapy, which was conducting a trial for a stress disorder medicine. One day the power goes out, Amanda can't trade, and Bob gets angry with her. Amanda takes drugs to relieve tension, and when the effect wears off, she sees blood coming from her hand, arrows drawn on the wall, and a paper with, "Find John Hamilton," written on it. Amanda searches for John Hamilton death, and learns that John was an army soldier who was killed in a police encounter. His mother says her son wasn't a mental health patient. Amanda gets the clinical trial list from the dark web and finds John Hamilton's name on it. Amanda calls John's mother, who tells her that after the trial, John started having hallucinations, and one day the police killed him. Amanda also calls John's brother Jay and incites him against Clean Therapy. Amanda gets information about Clean Therapy's head office, calls Bob at night, gives him the wrong signal about Clean Therapy's stock, and Bob makes his company buy it. Amanda calls Cold Creative Capital Company, talks to Mr. Cole, and demands a position. On Friday, Amanda sells Clean Therapy shares. John's mother gives a statement in the media, and the stock starts falling. Amanda sends a weapon to Jay, who goes to the company's office and opens fire, killing board members. The stock falls to $3. Bob calls Amanda, and Amanda says, "Goodbye, Bob." Mr. Cole calls Amanda and says, "You did an extraordinary job. Because of you, I suffered a loss of $15 million. Amanda says, "What if I recover your loss by next Friday?" Mr. Cole says, "I'll give you a higher position in my company." Amanda agrees. Amanda burns all the papers in her room where she had written her winning and losing results.